Good morning, everyone. Let's go and see the Asian part of Istanbul. Stay with me, please.
Kulübün ilk zamanlarında balıkçılar mezgitleri şişe dizerek
Beautiful.
So we are crossing the bridge between the Europe side and the Asian part of Istanbul. So we are entering the bridge. We are passing the bridge from Europe part to the Asian part. This is the bridge separating the Europe area and the Asian area. So we are going to the Asian area. So we are passing now the bridge connecting the Europe part and the Asian part. So we are entering the Asian part. So we are in the Europe. So we are in the bridge. This is a hanging bridge.
Another one there. Another bridge.
Beautiful. So this is the Asia. So we are in Asia. See these houses. Like the Asian area is more beautiful than the Europe. Thank you so much, guys. See you next time.